Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. The move to the upside here, I already highlighted it in yesterday's video. It is possibly just a B wave, and the strong move up with little structure and the strong retracement today actually would rather confirm that. So now what we talked about in the last video was that this was possibly just here an A, B, C structure in 3 waves. This moved down, yeah. And if the A wave, so first of all, of course it could theoretically be wave 2 was in here. However, it would have been a very shallow wave 2 again. Yeah, as you know, I normally like to see a wave 2 get back at least to the 50% retracement. Now we slightly missed that, okay? And also we missed some of the ideal targets here, but we came into the support area. Nevertheless, I mean, we had the descending wedge as support, as sort of guidance, right? And when that broke, it became, let's say, at least likely it would move up further, but it never really touched the 50% level, which always annoys me a little bit when they don't do that. It just means something might not be 100% correct. And therefore, I highlighted to you that with GALA as well, like with some of the other coins, it could very well be that we still are in the wave 2 and that the ABC move down here was only the A wave of the larger wave 2. And that we are moving up here in something maybe like a B wave in 3 waves, ideally. We could just be doing this. So obviously the B wave has 3 waves as well. B waves are horrible. A, B, and then here a C wave in B, and then we could come down in 5 waves. So I'm monitoring that. Important would be now for support the region. So I would rather say this is what I'm leaning to at the moment. If the B wave isn't already finished, but if we have in the A wave in the first leg of the correction only in ABC, it would actually be likely to get into this region. We talked about that in yesterday's video, just because it is sort of the area where you would expect the B wave to get into if the A wave has 3 waves. Then you would expect the B wave to be quite strong. Now, I could of course be wrong. I'm sure there is probably another interpretation to count this here in 5 waves down, but then it's not impulsive enough for me, really, right? Because we've got this chop here, but there's probably a way to do it, and need to be open to the idea B wave could already be finished. If it's already finished, it would most likely break below the 78.6 fib level, which would be at 4.32 cents. So if we break below 4.32, then we're probably already on our way down to lower prices here, and this was just a B wave rally, and we're already coming down. I'd be leaning towards a higher B wave, yeah, that we get into this region, but eventually that we are actually in a B wave. So this would be my preferred path, if you ask me. Yeah, would also align with the idea that Bitcoin, Ethereum could do another rally. Then some of the altcoins could rally as well, but eventually would come down in the C wave. And then that would give everybody a lower entry point again, if you want to then go long at the end of the wave 2 to trade the 3rd wave. Surely it could be theoretically possible to rally from here in the 3rd wave. Anybody who wants to trade that could sort of look at possibly entering here long, or a little bit at least, but be careful. If it's a B wave, it's risky. But generally, we're now back in a pullback zone. I mean, sort of here, just a 61.8 fib and the 78.6, they are sort of key support levels now. And again, a break below 78.6 fib would indicate that the support will break. So we're quite close to sort of a level that ideally should hold. And if that breaks, it would indicate we go down directly to lower fibs that are relevant for the wave 2. Yeah, and then we're talking about an area between, just need to draw the fib, okay, sort of between 3.36 cents and 2.56. And then if we drop below 2.56, the entire pattern is probably failing and all of this was just a correction, yeah? But I don't see it at the moment, okay? At least not yet. Okay, that's my update about GALA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.